online class. Hey Kushul, 9:30. Don't you have class today? Mother and father, they come, they wake up. Children cover their bed sheets, covers, and sleep some more. Most of the parents complain. This generation students and children, they feel lazy to wake up in the morning. Most of the parents approach me and they say, my son won't wake up. He just wakes 5 minutes before the school time and then he rushes to the school without milk and breakfast. My engineering son just wake up 10 minutes before his online classes and sit in front of the online class. These are the regular complaints you listen, you try to hear from this generation parents. My dear students, parents, teachers, and all the well-wishers, welcome back to another video of Words of Wisdom. Words of Wisdom. You call this laziness, indolence, that you don't feel like doing any activity. You just sit at the couch, browse your smart devices, or just sit, behave as if you are taking some rest but you don't take rest. You're still on your bed, covering yourself still more, that you don't want to wake up when your father and mother calls you and ask you, get up, it's time. Very few out of 100, not even 2 or 3 wake up in the morning before sunrise. This generation indulged in indolence, laziness, postponing the action, not involving themselves in any activity. The Words of Wisdom talks about such people, and they give a wonderful example of ant. Ant is such a small and minute, tiny little, but I tell you, the most wisest creature. That's why the Words of Wisdom talks about, go to the ants, you sluggard. Look at the ways. Look at the ant. How it gathers the food in summer. During the harvest, how the ant works hard, prepares, stores the food. You might have observed, every little child always sits next to the row of ants. They try to look at the ants, what that small tiny little sweet or sugar particle or a laddu particle they carry. How nicely they go in rows. Wherever a small particle of sweet, you find a line of ants. They are always busy. They carry the things that they store. They prepare themselves for the season of no food. That's why the Words of Wisdom speaks to us, especially to the lazy people. You sluggard, go to the ant. Learn the ways of the ant. How long you sleep, you sluggard? How long you fold your hands? That you rest for some more time, you sleep for some more time, you fold some more time, you cover your sheets some more time. If you don't realize that you are indulged in such kind of laziness, what is the outcome of the laziness? The poverty will come to the lazy person like a bandit, like a robber, like a thief. Poverty is not having sufficient food, sufficient clothes, sufficient basic necessities. The poverty comes to such lazy people who folds their hands, who folds themselves and sleep some more time on the cots, on the beds, though sunrise and a whole nature started working, but still they cover themselves. For such lazy people, it comes like a thief. Will any thief announce, I'm going to come to your home tonight to take away your possessions? No. Out of the blue, the robbery occurs. Out of the blue, the thief enters. We don't even guess, we don't even realize, we don't even anticipate. Such time the poverty strikes the lazy people. Poverty comes like a bandit, and scarcity is need like an armed man. The need, you get that need, you feel that need. It is like an armed man. It comes to the lazy person, because armed man, you can't take anything from them. You can't even have them totally covered. They are armed. Even if you try to, when armed man comes, when he says hands up, we have to hands up, and we wait for the, yes, at ease, till they say at ease. But you are in need, and it comes like an armed man. How troublesome, how terrible the plight of a lazy person. That's why father and mother are concerned about the children. They don't want the children to suffer the consequences of being lazy today. And words of wisdom tells us to learn from the ant, small little ant. The wisest beyond our comprehension is the works of ants. I want everybody to think of this. Let us not be lazy. Even if we have physical pains, even if we have emotional pains, even if we suffer with mental problems, still we need to jump from our beds. We need to dust off the pain and suffering. We need to rise up to show ourselves for a new day, to a new work and new things. That is the mindset everyone should have. We should get rid of this laziness. It is like a hinges of the door. What happens to the hinges of the door? The door moves only on the hinges. Lazy person moves only there. They don't even have the mind to take the food from the bowl to the mouth. They don't move this hand also. That's why we have to learn from the ants. We need to learn from the ants. Otherwise, our consequences will be terrible, troublesome. No one can help us. We have to help ourselves. These are the wonderful words of wisdom. I want all my parents, teachers, students, learn. Don't be lazy. Get up. Early to bed, early to rise. Makes a man healthy, wealthy, and prosperous. Think of this wonderful quote. Have a blessed day.